What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Snowball the cat from The Simpsons. Let's begin today's lesson on the top left side of the page and draw an oval for the right eye. We're going to start from the very top. It's going to work our way around towards the bottom of the eye and then back up towards the top. Let's move over towards the left and draw a smaller oval for the nose, going all the way around. Now we want to draw that same sized oval tucked in behind the nose for the left eye. So we're going to start from the very top, go up towards the same height, come around, and then pull that in. And we're going to pull the pupils towards the right side. Let's start from the top left, curve this around and then down towards the bottom. Go back up to the top, curve in the opposite direction, in behind the nose. Let's fill the pupil in black. And I want to do the same thing over on the right side, starting from the top. Just going to bend this around toward the left and then down. Go back up to the top, do the same thing, and we'll fill the inside of the pupil. Now with the eyes in place, let's move over to the left side along the bottom and add a fold, curving this around and then in. And then from the outside, we're going to draw in the mouth. We're going to go out, come around across the bottom, pull this up, and then down towards the right. Let's add a fold on the corner of the mouth. And I'll tuck the teeth in underneath. Starting back on the left, draw a V, go all the way over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's go halfway in between the fangs and draw the lip, coming down and then in. Draw a straight angle line coming down towards the collar. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the brow. Starting from the left side of the eye, curve this up and then across, step back, go up and over towards the right, toward the top of the ear. From here, I'm going to curve this down towards the right eye, round out the head, and go up towards the right ear. Angle this down along the side of the head, round this out, and go up, add a point of fur, coming down, and then in. Let's add another point. We're going to step out, go out and up, come down and in towards the mouth. Now we're going to wrap the collar around the neck. From the base of the neck, we're going to come up, come around, go across, and just tuck that up underneath the hair. From the side of the collar, draw two straight angled lines coming down towards the bottom, and then round out the bottom of the collar. Now I want to add 3 circles inside, starting in the middle. Add one more on either side. And then on the side of the collar, draw a half circle. Now before we go any further, let's go back and add those 2 whiskers. Starting from the lip, going up and then out, step down and draw another one. Now with the head complete, let's draw on the front of the body. From the bottom corner of the collar, step in, curve the chest coming down and then over. Let's layer that front leg on top. So we're going to go all the way up toward the top, draw a straight line coming down, and then bend that over towards the left. Let's layer the foot on top, stepping back, going up and then down, rounding up the bottom of the paw towards the back. And I want to follow that same curve along the back side, going up towards the body. Let's separate the paws with 2 curves. Now from the back of the collar, let's curve the back going out, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that in. Let's step up, curve the leg coming down and out, round out the leg coming down and then over towards the left. Let's round out the paw, come across and then down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll separate the paw with 2 curves. Let's move on top of the foot, bend the leg going out, up towards the top, and we'll bend that back down. Now just up above the foot, let's curve the body, coming down and then in. Now I want to draw that same leg in behind the body, so we'll start up here, curve this around, down, and then in. Let's draw the top of the paw, going across and then down. Bend that back in behind, and then we'll separate the toes with 2 curves. Now I want to draw that same arm across the back. Let's start up here, bend this down, and then out, Round out the bottom of the paw. Curve this up and then down. Let's go on top. We're going to follow that same curve coming up underneath the body. Let's separate the paw with those two curves. And now we're going to place the tail coming out from the back. Let's start down here. Start by going up, bend this in. Now along the top, we're just going to curl this around and then bend that down. Let's round out the end of the tail. Now we want to follow that same curve along the inside. Just tuck that in behind the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Snowball from The Simpsons. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.